This is a question from KSET 2018 from the inorganic part, that is the reaction between potassium amide and ammonium iodide in liquid ammonia is, see, if we consider ammonia, it dissociates as NH2 minus, which is the amide ion, and NH4 plus, which is known as ammonium ion. Whenever a compound is added to the ammonia, it either gives NH2 minus. If it gives NH2 minus, it acts as a base. The compound acts as a base in ammonia medium. And if it gives NH4 plus, it acts as an acid. So they have given potassium amide, that is KNH2. When it is added to the NH3 solution in NH3 medium, it gives K plus and NH2 minus. As it is giving NH2 minus, the KNH2 is acting as a base, and the other one is ammonium iodide. As ammonium iodide NH4I is added to NH3 medium, it gives NH4 plus and I minus. As it is giving ammonium ion, the NH4I, that is the ammonium iodide, is acting as a acid. So the correct option is option C, that is it is a acid base reaction. The absorption spectrum of TiH2O6 shows a broad band with a shoulder because, let me consider TiH2O6 3 plus complex, that is the titanium is in +3 oxidation state. If we consider the electronic configuration of titanium, that is argon 3d2 4s2. In titanium 3 plus, the electronic configuration is argon 3d1 and 4s0. So there is one electron in the d orbital. If I consider the filling of d1, the degenerate d orbitals are splitted as Eg and T2g. As it is a octahedral complex, it is splitted as T2g and Eg. So this one electron is filled in T2g orbital. As there is a unsymmetry in the filling of d orbital, that is the Eg is not filled, and in T2g only one electron is filled in the T2g orbital. Hence there is a unsymmetry, JT, or the Jahn-Teller distortion occurs. JT distortion occurs when there is a unsymmetrical filling of the d orbital, that is in T2g one electron is filled and the Eg orbitals are vacant. Hence the Jahn-Teller distortion comes into picture. Hence we can easily cancel option B, and option D gets cancelled. Now the broad band on the shoulder is maybe due to the ground state Jahn-Teller or the excited state. As in the question, we are discussing about the absorption spectrum of TiH2O, that is we are providing a H nu to this complex. Hence the electron in the T2g orbital will excite it to the Eg orbital. Hence the Jahn-Teller distortion is due to the excited state. So the option would be option C, that is the excited state of TiH2O6 undergo Jahn-Teller distortion. Among the following chemical reaction, hydrogen acting as an oxidizing agent is. So hydrogen, to act as an oxidizing agent, it must abstract electron to form hydride ion, that is it must undergo reduction to act as an oxidizing agent. It must form the hydride ion. So in the first reaction, that is H2 plus Cl2 to give 2HCl. Here the oxidation state of hydrogen is +1. and Cl is minus 1. Here the hydrogen is donating 1 electron, hence it is acting as a reducing agent. So option A is incorrect. In option B, H2 plus half O2 to give H2O. Here the oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1 and oxygen is minus 2. Here also it is acting as a reducing agent by giving 1 electron. Hence this is also incorrect. In option C, 2Na plus H2 gives rise to 2NaH. In here the oxidation state of sodium is plus 1 and hydrogen is minus 1. Here the hydrogen is abstracting 1 electron, hence acting as a oxidizing agent. Hence the option C is correct. In option D, it follows the same. Here hydrogen has plus 1 oxidation state and oxygen has minus 2. Hence this is also incorrect. So the correct option is option C. According to Wade's rule, boron hydride B5H5 power 2 minus shows. So we have to calculate the structure of B5H5 2 minus by applying the Wade's rule. So it states that for the molecule with BnHn power 2 minus, it would be closo. For BnHn power 4 minus, it would be nido, and for BnHn power 6 minus, it would be arachno. So as the n value is 5, it is B5H5 power 2 minus, it would be closo. So the correct answer is option B, that is closo. If the question would have been for B5H7 2 minus, for B5H7 2 minus, we will group it as B5H5 power 2 minus and 2H minus. As we know that there are 2 hydride ion, so we will sum up these powers. We can write it as B5H5 power 2 minus plus 2 minus, it would be 4 minus. So it follows the rule BnHn power 4 minus. So the answer for it would be a nido structure.